What's happening? What's up? What's good and what it do, soul family? I'm here today to tell you the truth about Dr. Be Serious. I'm gonna let the truth be told, and it's just my opinion. You can do your own research and form your own conclusion. Dr. Be Serious voice is like a siren. And learning from him like literally gets me high. I watch him on his channel on YouTube, but also Black Magic 365. Oh my God. The vibration and the frequency of his voice literally just like gets me high. And what led me to try his products was, again, listen to him talk, listen to his energy and the things that he was saying and how they were resonating with me. And so then I discovered that he's a medicine man and he's a master musician, and he has a PhD in metaphysics and what is it? Oh, ontologist. And I always say I'm an ontologist, and that's the study of what is, and the science of what is. And he makes medicine music and sacred alchemy, and his products are rare. They're sacred nutrients and infused with music and crystals and water, living waters, and ancient herbs and subconscious alignment and love. Man, the frequency of love is like in his products. So the things that I had tried from him in the past, as you can see, is almost gone. This is the Platinum Life Manatomic Elixir, the Gregory Reserve from Baba Dick Gregory. And this is like an energizer. It says anti-aging and a telomere repair and heavy metal detox. I didn't know what telomere was when I first heard him say it, so I was curious and I subscribed to his channel and I started checking it out, and that was the second thing I bought. The first thing I bought was the Heaven on Earth. As I've shared with you before, I've suffered with thyroid diseases, thyroid disease 1, not plural. And one of the things is when your thyroid is off, whatever, or you're taking all these different medicines, it'll mess with your anxiety, your stress, and your mood. And so this Heaven on Earth elixir, you can see that's more than halfway gone, is something that I started taking instead of like maybe taking some supplement that was prescribed for me when I started feeling like my breathing starting to get fast, or even having had the pandemic illness, haven't had dealt with that as well. Some of that will mess with your breathing and that kind of stuff, and even the side effects of when it's starting to wear off. It will affect your breathing, which in turn will affect your ability for your heart rate to be racing, that kind of stuff, your breathing labored and that kind of stuff. And this is a herbal nerve tonic, and part of the disease shattered my nervous system, and my nervous system is rebuilding itself. So I tried this and I can feel it working. It all tastes very pleasant. But what I'm here to talk to you today about is unboxing the detoxification kit from mental and emotional parasites. So if you can see this box, pardon me, y'all. I ordered this stuff and it probably came maybe 4 or 5 days later, maybe. So it has all this exquisite packing, and it has the actual booklet and my invoice. I ain't gonna lie and tell you that this stuff is reasonably priced. In my opinion, it was steep. And the fact that I am well versed in financial literacy was the only reason why I was able to pull this one off. And again, I've paid more for less and have nothing to show for it, so I'm not mad about what it costs. And then you have to look at some of the herbs that he uses. You can't find these just anywhere. You can't just go to your local herbal store and find this stuff. So it was worth it. So I got the I got this from the Elevation Wellness Boutique, from his website. And I got the Total Body Para Cleanse and Elevated Total Body Para Cleanse. That's what I have. It's a 28-day program, and let's see. Again, I have not unboxed it. Oh, this is something I'm already using. Dr. B's Herbal Toothpaste. I've been using this already. It works really, really good, and it cleans your teeth really well. So this is part of the thing. Let me tell you how many things are here. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. It's 11 different items. And again, this kit was about $500, just so you know. The other thing that's in here is the liver powder. Liver, kidney, and spleen support, cleanse, digestion, and rejuvenate. Liver powder. Okay. Well, let me start, because there's so many things in here. All of it is securely bubble wrapped, and again, like I said, it came like in 5 days from the time that I ordered it. The other thing is the Dr. B Sirius Master Tonic Reserve. And the Master Tonic Reserve, which one is this? That might be in here. Well, this is directions on how you do it, and what you're supposed to do, and how to proceed, and how much water you're supposed to drink, and what's recommended, what's not recommended, what type of parasitic things you find in different foods and different lifestyles. Dr. B Sirius Master Tonic Reserve. I see the Master Tonic. That must be what this is. This is for your immune system. Okay, let's get to the next one. I don't want to keep y'all too long. Organic vitamin C tonic, alkaline antioxidant, immunity, decalcification, and inflammation. This level of vitamin C, being a liquid, is supposed to be better for your digestion. And it says what different ingredients are in it. And it's a natural mood enhancer. There's some loud talking people coming past. I don't know if y'all can hear them. Some people just talk at the top of their lungs. Okay, Quantum Para Cleanse Herbal Tonic. Detoxifying, cleansing, and parasitic eradicating. Parasite eradicating. That's Quantum Parasite. Wow. This is amazing. Just the energy on this Quantum Para Cleanse Herbal Tonic feels real interesting. And it gets blood detox, energy, micronutrients, and it helps fight mucus plaque and heart support. And again, I got the kit that is for women. And so this is the Sacred Womb Tonic, and it helps with PMS, menopause, and balanced mood. So yeah, I forgot to say that there's a women's kit and a man kit, and that's why I'm looking at my list and kind of pausing, because I'm looking, this is for all of it. I'm looking at the stuff that's for the women, and these things are traditionally used, the herbs in this are traditionally used for menopause, PMS, and to help nourish the female system while invigorating your female energy. Wow. You know, he uses stuff too, like I said before, he infuses his stuff with like music and sacred energy. I'm excited. If you ever heard this man talk, you would understand why I think he could sell me a phone book. I don't know why. And I'm not the one big for this kind of stuff. I mean, I'm into herbal remedies and cleansing and stuff like that. But for me to spend this kind of money, I really believe in his products. And like I said, I have 3 other products that I've used before that kind of prompted me on this. But I'm going to see how it works for me. If you already use this stuff, can you drop something down below and tell me what your thoughts are? This is the Quantum Para Cleanse Herbal Tonic, detoxifying and cleansing, parasite eradicating. And again, it gives you a booklet and tells you how to use all of this stuff. Quantum Para Cleanse Herbal Tonic. Oh, I'm lying. I bought 5 things. I bought these 3 products. I bought all the music that he has on his site, every bit of it. The first one that I bought, I'm not sure how long it was. It's a meditation one and it's an instrumental one. And the last thing I bought, it's like 5 hours of music. And when I tell you, you can feel the energy on them joints. It's amazing. I'm grateful to have it. But I'm a frequency freak. FERQ. Frequency is everything. Like I've told you all in some of my other videos, I can sit close to somebody or somebody can sit close to me and I can just feel their energy and be able to read them just like that. I learned how to read people before I could read books. So to cleanse my system, where I try to eat right, I went like 2 years eating like I was supposed to eat because I was fighting this disease that I'm coming out of the end of it, and noticing the differences in when I start to eat food that doesn't agree with my physical manual and how it makes my body respond. So when I started taking this stuff and trying this stuff, I could tell how it was resonating with my blood and with my energy and with my thoughts and everything. So again, I'm trying it because I like what I like. I like how it works in the first try. Those other 3 or 4 or 5 things that I have. This is a tranquility herbal tonic for sleep, rest, and gas calming. Y'all hear them people in the background? You know, but some people just got to be seen. Lord help them. So, tranquility herbal tonic for sleep, rest, to get REM sleep, and to reduce gas from the parasitic detox. So all of these things work in tandem together. And again, there's a guide to tell you how to use these things. It's the last 3 things, guys. New Life Herbal Tonic. Blood and lymph detox, iron, energy, inflammation, micronutrients, and mucus plaque that get built up in your body from mucus from the food that you're eating. Yeah, okay, so the things I'm finding on here is the same thing I'm reading to you, so that's why I'm doing this back and forth and looking just to see if there's anything different from this bottle that's on here in the description. And again, keep in mind, the directions for how to use this stuff is in this book, the Dr. B Sirius Total Para Cleanse and Elevated Total Body Para Cleanse Program Guide. Okay. All right. Okay. 2 more things. Lax Ease Herbal Tonic, Gentle Colon Cleanse, Intestinal Detoxification and Rejuvenation. Lax Ease Herbal Tonic. Lax Ease. To promote gentle colon cleansing, intestinal tract rejuvenation, and to promote better digestion. So there's nothing new on there. All right, this is the last one. Master Mushroom Tonic. Immune enhancement, superior antioxidant, intracellular rejuvenation. I like the sound of that. Make me over. Make me over. Make me over. Intracellular rejuvenation. These 11 medicinal mushrooms have been used to help remove organ toxins, and amazing choice for those seeking the best in life. Well, that's it. If you have used any of this stuff, can you drop some comments below so you can help me on my track of I don't know, just something to bounce back on with me comparing my experiences with yours, and maybe see what works for you, if it works for me, and vice versa. And also, if you're interested in having any feedback on how this stuff has been working for me because you haven't tried it yet, if you put some comments down below, I will respond to you. And I'm going to look at this program guide and see where I am. Again, I eat clean most of the time, but if you ever been to Chicago, lived in Chicago, or vacation in Chicago, you know, Chicago has some good food, and we've been spoiled living here our whole lives. So every now and then I get some of my favorites. And when I say every now and then, I'm not talking about frequently. But to me, a little bit is still too much because it doesn't agree with my body. And I'm getting over the fact of eating myself to death by just saying I'm eating what I enjoy and what satisfies me, where I'm focused on eating to live nowadays, especially in this last 5 years that have been excruciating with my health challenges, as well as watching other people that I love get out of here too soon because of their lifestyle. So again, I hope this message helps you, and thank you for your time, and let me know if you're using the products and what you think, and if you'd be interested in getting some feedback after I start this program. I'm taking it serious, and I'm taking it by the letter. And I'm going to look and see when I can get started and do this 28-day regimen. So when I buckle down and do it, maybe I'll do a part 2 to this. So you let me know what you think. Until real soon, love and blessings.